Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install UC Turbo Fast and Ad Blocker browser in your smartphone. So it's UC Turbo. It's another app, browsing app for you from UC browser. So you have to go Google Play Store if you're a Android user, and go to App Store if you're iPhone user. Then search here UC Turbo, and here we'll see the first option, UC Turbo Fast, Safe and Ad Block app. So the rating of the app 4 out of 5 and 460k reviews, and 50 million players already downloaded this app. So simply click install, and it takes few moments to install in your device, and it's easy to use this application. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's number, and thank you for watching.